What's up, guys? It's your boy Zach. Today we're gonna go to Harbor Freight, get a 5-inch hole saw, and then we can put the kick panels on. Hi-yaw! Right there. So yeah, next clip is either gonna be me at the Harbor Freight, or me in the parking lot of Harbor Freight showing you what I got. So let's go. All right. Cool. Just got to clean it up with my knife. Clean it up with the knife and that'll fit in there a little bit better. Oh, wait. So yeah, I picked these up at the Glove Gym. All right, should get a little better. Cool, fits good. Fits pretty good. Oops. Nice. All right. Got that hole cut. Yeah, I need to clean this. I'm going to do it with some sound editing stuff too. But let's kind of give it a little, oops, rough mock up here. Give about right there-ish. Probably more like it right there. So, be about right there. Yeah, 1 second. All right, so we got that in there, looking pretty good. Now to just actually mount it. So what I'm going to use to mount the actual kick panel, just some little self-tapper screws I got from Harbor Freight. This is what I'm going to use to mount the speaker to the kick panel. I've got an assortment of them, you know. Can't ever have too many screws. So, yeah. This to mount it, whatever one you really want to use. And then I got these. I'll probably use like one of these or just put it in there. Never know. But yeah, got a set of these, got a set of these, and then I also got this. Also, that is what I got literally just bought this for that one right there, the 5-inch hole, which is what is needed for 6.5-inch speaker. So yeah. All right, goobers, we got it mounted. Boom, boom, boom. Wasn't able to put one up there, so that's how I routed the wires. Only put 2 screws on here. They sound so much better, especially once you put the sound deadening on the back. Like, listen to how solid it is. Even on the part where it would be kind of hollow. Sounds hollow. Sounds solid as heck. But yeah, sounds a lot better. Now to do the other side, I know I have to stay with these speakers because the magnet on these bad boys are way too big. So they'll probably sell these. Maybe throw some scars in here. I mean, I got a scar subwoofer, so why not go full scar setup with the Kenwood. This thing's starting to sound good. Now to get the little deck lid thing for the back, the little speaker rack, and this thing would be sounding perfect. So yeah, guys, stay tuned. Hopefully that kind of showed you how to mount them and everything. So yeah, just use the self-tappers right into the side there. I don't know why this thing is not focusing. There we go. But yeah, self-tappers, boom. I made little tiny little pilot holes here. There's still some right here, which I'm going to still probably screw it down because that might still make the speaker sound a little better. So yeah, make sure y'all like. Comment what I should do next. If y'all got any ideas for this bad girl, put it down in the comments. Or any recommendations that y'all want to see me do, like improve on or anything, drop it down there. Make sure you like it, or make sure you subscribe and also share it too, you know. Let's get let everyone know what I'm doing around here. So yeah, peace.